change language of Google Gemini. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to change the language of Google Gemini. If you want to use the Google Gemini in different language but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply make sure to watch this video till the very end. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi and kind of data. So if your device is not connected to any of it, then you won't be able to change the language of it. Secondly, you just need to make sure that you have already installed the Google Gemini app. So if you have not installed, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on your device. And also make sure that you are logged into your Google Gemini account. So after that, you just need to tap on the profile icon at the very top right, and here you'll see the option of switch account, upgrade to Google AI Plus, Gemini app, activity, and all of it. So tap on the option of settings at the very bottom, and here you will see the option of your public links, Gemini's voice, interrupt live response, caption preference, and language. So click on the option of language, and here you just need to tap on the option of add another language, and from here you just need to select the language which you think is good for you and which you want to add it and change it to. So after selecting the language which you choose will be selected as your preferred language, and you'll be able to change it like this. So that's it. That's how you can change the language of Google Gemini. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.